Have you ever felt like you're just a waste of person? Your code works, but you still feel it's just luck. You downgrade yourself. You think, I'm a fraud programmer, pretending to be a programmer. Congratulations. It's the third stage of imposter syndrome. Now, don't worry, it's curable. But to cure the problem, you need to know the cause of the problem. So, transition. Everyone with decent followers sounds like a tech wizard. You Google how to center a div, and some guy answers with a 12-line Flexbox solution and says, this should be pretty self-explanatory. Bro, are you guys dumb or something? And you think, yeah, he's probably correct. Maybe I'm the dumb guy here. And then you feel like a complete fraud. Tech moves faster than Tom Cruise's age. Technology updates every 5 minutes. You take one weekend off and suddenly there is a new JavaScript framework. Python has a new version that requires semicolons now. Rust is the new C++. And someone created a language called random script that revolutionized coding. Meanwhile, you are still learning how to center a div. Your confidence shatters. You feel like, I don't know anything. Maybe I'm a fraud. FOMO from other people's projects. You see PewDiePie making his own custom AI with 10 not so expensive GPUs, and you're like, bro, this man was making diss tracks few years ago, and now he's building his own AI, and I'm coding for the last 10 years and I'm still making calculators and to-do list apps. And you feel like a complete fraud. Tutorials are basically catfishing you. Every tutorial says, learn this in 5 minutes. Okay, funny, but somebody is not getting paid. Or, we will build Netflix in 10 minutes. No, we won't. We will copy paste 200 lines of code, then everything breaks. And then the instructor says, if you get any error, just Google it. Great. So basically, I watched a 10-minute tutorial on how to make Netflix in 10 minutes just to Google it. And this time, you shouldn't feel like a fraud. The guy making the video showed son of a big senior developers are just better at pretending. You think those tech wizards knows everything? No. They've just mastered the ultimate skill of Googling on the second monitor without anyone noticing. So don't feel like a fraud. If someone tells you, make an AGI from scratch, it's pretty easy, and make it by tomorrow, don't feel like a fraud. He doesn't know shit about AGI. He just Googled it and thought it sounds cool.
Your broadcast was interrupted by my desperate alter ego with zero self-respect begging for likes, honest comments, and sharing with your homies. Moving on.
Code breaks for no reason. You write the same code you wrote yesterday and today it breaks. Why? Nobody knows, not even God. This alone is enough to make anyone feel like they faked their way into tech. Maybe your API key expired or maybe something else, but you still shift the blame to yourself. Now, as you can see, this can shatter the moral of any dev. So now, how do you deal with it? Number one, accept the truth. No one knows everything. If someone says they do, then either they are lying or they only use HTML. Ask questions anyway. Trust me. Half of the team is confused and the other half is pretending they're not. Keep building ugly stuff. Bad projects eventually becomes a better project. Remember, everyone starts small. Maybe today you're making calculators, but when you have enough money to buy your own not so expensive 10 GPUs, you can vibe code your own AI model. Google it proudly. You're not cheating. You're finding the answers for the most commonly faced problems by every dev in this entire planet. So yeah, you're not a fraud, you're just a developer, which basically means the same. Anyways, by the way, if you enjoyed this video, you would love this one. That's what YouTube says.